1.
Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
Welcome to our class assembly.
This term we have learned about the resurrection of Jesus.
The word resurrection means coming back to life after death.
Jesus died on the cross on Good Friday and is alive again on Easter Sunday. The disciples couldn't believe the good news when they were told. We wrote and got doubled about what they may have thought. I feel happy he is alive because he had died. I feel happy because Jesus is alive. I feel surprised he is alive because I was expecting him to be dead. Poem together as a class. Jesus had to hold the big cross.
But he is risen!
He fell 3 times.
But he is
He
risen!
rode on a donkey.
But he is risen!
He died for our sins.
But he is risen!
One of Jesus' friend Thomas couldn't believe Jesus has returned.
And go.
Thomas said he could only believe if he saw the marks on Jesus' hands.
Hands. 2, 1.
When Thomas saw Jesus and felt the marks on him, he fell to his knees and praised his friend.
1. Go.
Jesus said, "Blessed are those who have not seen and yet believed."
We also learned that May is the month of Mary, our mother. Mary is our mother in heaven and loves us too. We looked at different artwork about Mary and thought about which one we like best.
I like number 1 because she is holding Jesus and number 1 is very colourful.
I like number 3 because Mary is praying to God. My favorite picture of Mary is holding Jesus.
We also looked at some of the work that we missed early in the year. We started to look at the Holy Family.
The Holy Family is made up of Joseph and Jesus. We have a statue of the Holy Family on our prayer table.
We looked at artwork of the Holy Family too and spoke about it.
We learned about when Jesus was in the temple.
Anna and Simeon were the first to recognize Jesus as the Son of God. We wrote that Simeon and Mary may have been thinking,
Go.
Lord, you have kept your promise. How does he know that Jesus is the Savior?
Watching our school assembly, please put your hands together as we say